बड़े ट्रेंड पर चर्चा हो रही है इंडिया एआई इम्पैक्ट समिट में। वहां पर रिलायंस के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी जी अपना संबोधन दे रहे हैं। आइए सुनते हैं।
Do we act as isolated nations or as a united global family? Our polarized world stands at a fork. One path has led to a situation where AI is scarce and expensive, compute is concentrated, data is controlled, and capability is locked behind barriers of capital and geography in the global north. In this dismal scenario, inequality widens between nations, within societies, and across generations. But there is another path, a future where AI is available, affordable, and beneficial to all. As our Prime Minister said, India believes in this second future. Dear friends, from the podium of this summit today, I want to make a bold prediction. India will emerge as one of the greatest AI powers in the world in the 21st century. My confidence is validated by an undeniable truth. In the coming decades, no country in the world can match India's strength in demography, democracy, development, digital infrastructure, data generation, AI harvest. Let me begin, as was said many times this morning, what India has achieved in the past 10 years. First, India is the world's largest mobile data consumer. Nearly 1 billion internet users, data costs among the lowest globally, and in terms of quality, there is no difference between Delhi and the remotest Indian village. Second, Aadhaar, 1.4 billion digital IDs. Third, UPI processes over 12 billion transactions monthly. Fourth, India ranks among the top 3 startup ecosystems with 100,000 startups and 100 plus unicorns. Fifth, India's secure and inclusive digital public infrastructure stack is now being adopted by countries around the globe. Friends, in all humility, I wish to state that Geo, with over 500 million loyal subscribers, was privileged to play a leading role in this transformation across broadband, 4G, 5G, and home connectivity. With equal humility, I would like to announce that Geo will play an even bigger role in India's AI transformation. Today, on behalf of the Reliance Group and Geo Intelligence, I want to make 3 announcements. Announcement 1, Geo connected India to the internet era. Geo will now connect India to the intelligence era. We will deliver intelligence to every citizen, every sector of the economy, and every facet of social development and every service of government. Geo will do so with the same reliability, quality, scale, and extreme affordability that transformed connectivity. India cannot afford to rent intelligence.
तो रिलायंस ग्रुप के मुखिया मुकेश अंबानी अपना संबोधन दे रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि एआई के एडॉप्शन के चलते प्रोडक्शन में और नॉलेज में काफी ज्यादा बढ़ोतरी हो रही है और वो भी कुछ इनिशिएटिव्स ले रहे हैं ताकि एआई को इंटीग्रेट करके प्रोडक्टिविटी को बढ़ाया जाए अक्रॉस द कंपनीज।